So I've recently written a piece on how it is important to be in a position to actually implement, to find out what is useful and how it works and so on. The state of where we are with the reader right now illustrates this very well. There's a feature called folding, where the user can fold in a document to only see the headings, or select text and do Command F to only see sentences with that text, which I've been very, very excited about and that we're implementing. I'll show you where we are now with the select text and do Command F. So that's what I'm going to do. Selected hypertext, I'm going to do Command F. These are all the results of hypertext in that document. 169, as you can see on the top, which is only a debug thing. It won't be there for the final. So what I see in this view is not as useful as I expected. We are missing the names of the authors. This is from the book The Future of Text, which is an anthology of lots of different people. So each person's name is the heading. So now when that feature works, when you see the headings, you will be able to see which bit of text is said by what person. But also the grayness of the text around is not as useful as we thought it would be. Furthermore, if you click on a result, we get this. It did the highlights. If you now do Command F, it'll do the search on that and only find that. But if I now do selecting, let's say, Ted Nelson, and the Command F, we get all of this. Command F should cancel out. It doesn't. Some of these things are just bugs, so I shouldn't bore you with that. But the point is, this view here is not ideal at all. It doesn't really introduce me to what I want to learn on this topic. So let's do www. It's not very useful either. Wikipedia. See, if we had a kind of a glossary, then at the end you would see it explained. In this case, we do actually have the timeline. So it says when Wikipedia was founded and by who. So the question is, because we cannot in PDF at the moment find the sentences of the text, we can only find the lines. That's why we have 3 lines. So what we're probably going to do is have 4 lines, another line underneath to make it easier to see here what it is. Because if you click on it, and if you now want to go back, you've lost your space. We can make that a keyboard shortcut again, but it's not as useful as someone sees this and then they do Command F again and they actually go back out. So the way it looks and the way it feels and the way you jump around is a very different thing when it actually exists. That's all I wanted to report, kind of a little diary entry on that aspect of it. See, only one person talked about Dylan Thomas. All right, thanks for your time.